Flowers, first point in case of flower is pedicellate. Pedicellate condition or sessile. So sessile flowers can be seen in case of plants like this, Stachytarpeta. Stachytarpeta. You see, no pedicel for the flowers. Sessile flowers. Sessile flowers. And here pedicel, a long pedicel. The first point is pedicellate or sessile. Sessile leaves. And the second point is bracteate or ebracteate. A leaf-like structure present at the base of the leaf. Here it is actually apicalyx. That is also considered as bracteate condition. Even in Liliaceae, flowers are enclosed by membranous bracts. So bracteate or ebracteate. So this is the bract. And one code word I will give to explain the flowers like A, B, C. A means actinomorphic or zygomorphic, bisexual or unisexual, complete or incomplete. This is the explanation. Say for example, actinomorphic. When we cut flower from any plane, if it gives two equal halves from any plane, such flower is said to be actinomorphic flower. It shows radial symmetry. Radial symmetry. For example, hibiscus is a regular flower, actinomorphic flower. So whereas in case of Papilionaceae members, flowers are zygomorphic. From only one plane, it gives two equal halves from only one plane. Such shows bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. This is about the actinomorphic or zygomorphic. And there are some irregular, completely irregular flowers called asymmetrical flowers. Canna example for asymmetric flowers. And coming to the bisexual or unisexual. Here, in case of the hibiscus, say for example, hibiscus. So here, we can see both the female part and male part. This is androecium and this is stigma of the female part, that is the gynoecium. Both we can see in single flower, that is called bisexual flowers. Bisexual flowers can be seen in Fabaceae, Solanaceae as well as Liliaceae also. So unisexual flowers, say for example, unisexual flowers. Unisexual flowers, that is in pumpkin we can see. Here, this is the female flower. See the gynoecium developing into a fruit. This is the male flower. Doesn't contain, only it contains the male part, androecium. No female part. Here we can see the female part. Thus the flowers are unisexual. Unisexual flowers are incomplete flowers, whereas the bisexual flowers are complete flowers. Coming to the hypogynous, epigynous, perigynous. If the floral parts arise from above the gynoecium, flower is said to be hypogynous. If the floral parts arise from here the floral parts arise from below the gynoecium comes above, such flower is called hypogynous flower. If the floral parts arise from above the gynoecium, like this, for example, chepekai ಗಿಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, calyx corolla ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೀಗೆ. If it comes above the gynoecium, that is called epigynous condition. And if the floral parts arise surround the gynoecium, perigynous condition can be seen in rose, whereas the epigynous condition can be seen in Cucurbitaceae members, guava fruit. And hypogynous in all the three families, as what you are going to study, that is Fabaceae, Liliaceae, Solanaceae, hypogynous condition can be seen. So this is epigynous, hypogynous and perigynous flowers. So after this, Homochlamydous and heterochlamydous. If calyx and corolla can be differentiated, it is called heterochlamydous flowers. If calyx corolla cannot be differentiated, it is called homochlamydous. Homochlamydous flowers, for example, liliaceae, it has perianth, whereas the heterochlamydous flowers have calyx and corolla. Coming to the calyx of any flower, so this is calyx in hibiscus. If it is fused, gamosepalous condition can be seen in Fabaceae, Solanaceae also. And in Liliaceae, no calyx and corolla. There it is perianth condition. I explained already about that. And coming to the here in calyx, very important point is persistent calyx can be seen in case of Solanaceae members, whether it is Datura plant or brinjal. You can see the calyx even after the fruit development. That is called persistent calyx, which is important characteristic feature of Solanaceae members. And coming to the corolla, if free polypetalous family Fabaceae, if fused gamopetalous Solanaceae members, and in case of the Liliaceae members, no calyx and corolla, So whereas in case of the Fabaceae members, as you told earlier, zygomorphic flowers and papilionaceous corolla, butterfly shaped corolla, consists of a standard or vexillum, 2 wing petals, and fused boat-shaped carina. So this is about the zygomorphic flower, papilionaceous corolla, having papilionaceous corolla, and only 4 petals can be seen in case of the cruciferous members, like the mustard. Only 4 petals can be seen. That is called tetramerous condition, and pentamerous condition. If 5 petals are present, polypetalous can be seen in papilionaceae and their papilionaceous corolla, and butterfly shaped corolla. And papilionaceous is derived from the Latin language, means butterfly shaped corolla. And after calyx, corolla. In case of Liliaceae, perianth, tepals 6 in number, arranged in 2 whorls, fused to form a corolla tube. That is also very important characteristic. Arrangement of sepal, petal or tepal as in perianth, called estivation. So estivation, summer sleep is also estivation. Here the arrangement of sepal, petal, tepal. With reference to the animals and all, estivation is summer sleep, hibernation is winter sleep, but here it is arrangement of sepal, petal, tepal. No overlapping, valvate estivation. If there is overlapping like this, so in and out, on the in out arrangement, this is twisted estivation, descendingly imbricate estivation, 1 in, 1 out, remaining in and out, can be seen in case of Fabaceae. That is called vexillary estivation. Idu NEET ge important, or descendingly imbricate estivation anta kariತೀವಿ. Overlapping ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ valvate estivation ಕರೋಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and then petals ಅಲ್ಲಿ imbricate estivation overlap ఉంటుంది. 1 in, 1 out, remaining in and out called imbricate estivation, vexillary estivation, whereas the odd petal, the large standard petal overlaps the other petals, called vexillary estivation. Idu estivation twisted as in hibiscus, showing in and out arrangement, even in rose, giving beauty to the flower. There we can see the twisted estivation. After calyx corolla, the another important point is androecium. Androecium, it is arranged in single bundle, called monoidal first condition, whereas in Fabaceae members it is diidal first condition. That is very, very important. That is 9 plus 1 arrangement, 9 stamens towards one side and 1 stamen towards another side. Diidal first condition is an important characteristic feature of the Fabaceae members. So monoidal first condition, polyidal first condition can be seen in citrus fruits, nimbe, ಆರೆಂಜು, ಇವುಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಿಯೋಡೆಲ್ಫಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸ್ಟೇಮನ್ಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೆನಿ ಬಂಡಲ್ಸ್. Size of the stamens differ. For example, in Lucas, 2 short and 4 long stamens can be seen, and similarly in mustard also, some short and some long stamens can be seen. This is very, very important, and this kind of difference in the size of the stamens can also observed in Lucas, sacred basil, tulasi. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು. ಇದು ಸೈಜ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮಸ್ಟಾರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಂಡ್ರೀಷಿಯಂ. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಗೈನೀಷಿಯಂ, ಮಾನೋಕಾರ್ಪಲರಿ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿ, ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರ್ಪಲ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಬೈಕಾರ್ಪಲರಿ ಸೊಲೆನೇಸಿ, ಟ್ರೈಕಾರ್ಪಲರಿ ಲಿಲಿಯೇಸಿ, ನೀಟಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸಿಂಕಾರ್ಪಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್, ಅಪೋಕಾರ್ಪಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕೊನೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಪ್ಲಾಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಓವ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಓವರಿ ಅನೆ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸೆಂಟ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಒನ್, ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೇನ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ venation. There is reticulate venation and parallel venation, that is in dicots and monocots. Arrangement of sepal petal tepal called estivation, valvate estivation, imbricate estivation, twisted estivation ithardu. And arrangement of ovules called placentation. Marginal placentation can be seen in case of Fabaceae members. Allella seeds on the margin ge arrange agirutte. Axial placentation can be seen in citrus fruits. And parietal placentation, idu neglect ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸು ಮಸ್ಟಾರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಜಿಮಾನ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಅದು 10th ನಾವು ಸಾಸಿವೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಅರ್ಜಿಮಾನ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಓದಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಫುಡ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಅರ್ಜಿಮಾನ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಸ್ಟಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟಮ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್, and the placentation is to be parietal placentation. Basal placentation sunflower alli kaanbodu. Free central placentation can be seen in dianthus and primrose. Dianthus ಮತ್ತು primrose ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಲರಿ, ಮಾನೋಲಾಕ್ಯುಲರ್, ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಬೈಕಾರ್ಪಲರಿ, ಸಿಂಕಾರ್ಪಸ್, ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಓವರಿ and axial placentation, that is in Solanaceae. And tricarpellary syncarpus, superior ovary, axial placentation, that is in Liliaceae. After gynoecium, the important thing is fruit. There are 2 important types of fruits, fleshy fruits and dry fruits. Dry fruits called legume or pod can be seen in Fabaceae members. Berry or capsule can be seen in case of the Solanaceae members, even in Liliaceae members, berry or capsule. And coming to the fleshy fruits ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 2ಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೂಪ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಡ್ರೂಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ the mango fruit and the coconut fruit. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಡ್ರೂಪ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಡ್ರೂಪ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್. So here in drupe, it is a fleshy fruit. Pericarp is differentiated into outer skinny epicarp. Middle mesocarp is edible. Inner hard endocarp, which encloses the seed. Edible portion ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಡಿಬಲ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಇದು ನೀಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಎಡಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ 8 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಡಿಬಲ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ, that is the mesocarp, even the epicarp also, but not the endocarp. Endocarp is the hard portion. And similarly, one more example for drupe is coconut fruit. Here also The pericarp is differentiated into outer epicarp, middle mesocarp, and inner hard endocarp. Endocarp thinala. But the edible portion is endosperm. This is important. Endosperm. Seed portion, no? Endosperm. This is edible portion. So, outer epicarp, middle fibrous mesocarp, not edible portion, inner hard endocarp, which encloses seed portion, that is endosperm. From the liquid endosperm of coconut, hormones called cytokinins can also be obtained from the liquid endosperm of coconut. Coming to the seeds, now neglect ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾನ್ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮಿಕ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸಾಲ್ಬ್ಯುಮಿನಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಮಾನೋಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಮಾನೋಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮಿಕ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಡ್ಸ್. ಆರ್ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮಿಕ್. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನೀಟಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕೇಳೋವಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ನಾನ್ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮಿಕ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಕೆನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಸೀನ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೈಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ and remaining endospermic seeds. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾನೋಕಾಕ್ ಸೀಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಾನೋಕಾಕ್ ಸೀಡ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮೇಜ್, ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಲೇಡನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕುಟೆಲ್ಲಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲುಮ್ಯೂಲ್. ಪ್ಲುಮ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲುಮ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೋಲಿಯಾಪ್ಟೈನ್. Protective layer of radical called coleorhiza. So, coleoptile, coleorhiza, plumule, radical, endosperm, and the scutellum are the important parts of the monocot seed. So, ಇಷ್ಟು ಈ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲಿರಿಯೇಸಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿ, ಸೊಲೆನೇಸಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಯಾವುದು ಬಿಡದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಫಾಲಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಏಂಜಿಯೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.